Many people hear that the thicker the PPF, the better the protection. But is that really true? First, let's clear up a unit. 1 mil equals 1/1000th of an inch, about 0.9 uni-limiters. To put it simply, 2 uni L is roughly the thickness of an A0 sheet of paper. The thickness of PPF comes from 3 layers: the TPU base film, the top coating, and the adhesive. And the TPU base layer is what really determines flexibility and installability. So why is PPF thicker than uni L usually not recommended? The thicker the film, the harder it is to stretch during installation, requiring higher skill. Thicker films are also stiffer, with reduced flexibility, which increases the risk of edges lifting or glue failure over time. So ironically, more thickness can create more problems. So how should we choose? 6.0 fine D, 7.0 mil, thinner, basic protection, entry-level option. 8.0 mil, the mainstream choice, balanced performance and cost. 8.5 mil and above, stronger protection, but requires top materials and skilled installation. For most city drivers, 7.0, 28.5 mil is more than enough. So to sum up, more thickness doesn't always mean better. What really matters is materials, installation, and your driving needs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you more real Zan World PPF tests and buyer's guides.